So, hey YouTube, I am not good at this, so let me introduce myself. My name, everybody calls me Barbie. Used to be a bartender, traded that into learning how to do nails, so currently I can do nails really well, but still, critiquing my craft, but I'm pretty good. But this is not about nails today. I'm sorry I don't have a thumbnail. I'm not really savvy and all that. Hopefully we can get there. So this is going to be literally a 20-30 minute video. I think that it can change a lot of you guys' lives. If you're a single parent and you're having a hard time with no vehicle getting around, washing your clothes, everything, I think this is a life-changing piece of equipment. So you guys deserve to know about it, even though I don't know how to do intros or none of that. So stick with me and let me change your life and help you guys. I wish I would have known about this when I was a lot younger. I'm in my 30s. So I wish I would have known about this. So let me take your time. Alright? So now let me introduce it. Oh, screw it. It's not letting me turn the camera around. Well, this is a cut bit. It is a washing machine with a spin dryer. So this is the spin dryer where currently I have some clothes in there. They've already spun. I am going to take them out. That's what I'm going to do. And this is the washing machine part. And this is the drain, the hose where it connects to down there, and it comes out. I went to the store. I bought a filter, old school filter, so it can filter out so nothing gets in my tub. And the reason I have the bucket is you can connect right here and move this whole piece over here, this unit right here, to connect to the sink and the drain right here. But I don't feel like that, so I'm just going to keep it right there and do it manually and just fill up the bucket and do it old school style, okay? This is where I want it. That's where it's going to freaking be. So let me get to doing this. I've already washed some loads today. So when I get it started, I will show you guys. And I will tell you the things that I've already discovered that I like and what I don't like. And if the hype is there, okay? But I'm giving it a 99. It's there, okay? So let's start the process. And I waited to do for you guys now because I was going through people's tutorials, and I really wanted to see something that had some stains and stuff of that nature to see if it really cleans that well. So I'm going to do my son clothes because boys are rough. So I'm going to start by filling it up first. Manual with the bucket. While that is running, I will introduce you to the clothes that have been washed. And this is the package that it arrived in. This is what it came in. It was pretty fast. I ordered it like 4 or 5 days ago. Don't remember the correct date. These are some of the clothes that I've already done since I got it. And I say like literally they've been hanging up for an hour. They're literally dry. Like the spin dryer works well. On jeans, it's not completely like it spins out very well, but this is going to take a few hours overnight. But like leggings, things that are not that heavy, it dries pretty quick. So I did this whole load. And what I can say is this smell, it smells better than the fucking laundromat where you do your, not even laundromat, when you do it in the washer and dryer. That's electric. So let's go check on this water. Okay. This is my little bathroom working in. So to the bathroom. Let's see, I got my bucket of water. I want to pour it in here. It's a little bit too much. So I want to make sure, like right here, there's a drain that it's not on, because it would just drain out. And I did see some YouTubers that did not set their drain and it drained out on their floor, so be very careful of that. So that's one of these. I put 3. So let me explain some things while the second load is going up. This is your turn knob, your washing timer, your drain. So like I said, always make sure that it's not on drain or it will leak. If this is on your floor and it does not have an electric pump, it will leak because it needs to be gravitated. So this is the pump that's connected. Once again, this is electric, so it pumps on its own. I think I hit those bullets in. The thing about the dryer that I've learned is if it's not enough in there, it will spin crazy. So you have to have some weight on that dryer. But I'll show you that too. I'll give you an example of that. But I'm not going to tell you guys. This is a great investment. I watch like damn near every video out there. So, I've seen like really little, like compared to all the great reviews, I've seen a few, now I don't even say a few, a couple, but there were some technically wrong, which I think a technical problem can be fixed. But the concept idea, it's awesome. It's awesome. Like, it literally just cleared me from having to do so much. And like I stated, I am a nail tech at home, so I have a station set up in my home. And this is great for me having to wash my towels and not really having to run to the laundromat. So now I'm going to have to go get me a towel rack for the nail stuff, but it's my little station, you guys. And I do nails out of my little workstation. So, I have towels, like I'm always buying towels and just throwing them away. Because I'm just hate the laundry now. So, but what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Introduce you guys. This is Butt. Say hello to YouTube, Butt. His name is Gohan, but I call him Butt. This is my Butt. So like I told you guys, 20 minutes of your time. So let me hurry this up. The other bucket is almost ready. So I'm going to actually get this going. I always say the third bucket because we're going to get... Don't mind me, you guys. I've been doing this all day. I'm super excited. I really should have a cocktail right now, but I've been literally slowing down and drinking. I have shit to do. Money to make. Dreams to complete. You feel me? So, I used all my other one up, but I didn't have a big one. So, we're going to use this. I'm going to... So you don't want to pour a lot in here, but I would say pour to your own, you know, eyesight, what you think is good. So pour to that. Yeah, honey. It's it, right? So let's start adding some things. Let me find some things to add. So I freaking hate this fucking shirt. My son will wear... Ooh, it stinks. My son will wear this until the wheels is all right. And they... So. You'll see there's like... I don't know if you guys can see that well, but... It's a bunch of stains. I don't know if you can see it's pretty stained up. The cuffs. We're gonna get that in there. That's what we're gonna do. Outside shirt that he walks the dog in and rolls in the dirt. things of that nature. I'm sorry I'm holding like this because you just don't understand the type of things that my son does with these clothes and the dog. So, I'd say that is about what I'm going to put in, and then I'm going to add some more water. So, like I said, 3 buckets of that fills it up. This is how it's looking now. I'm going to add some more detergent, but it is doing its thing. I'm gonna do this on a rinse. So usually I am gonna rinse this out. What I've done today is, you know, regular cycle rinses. So I let this do its thing. A little bit more. I'm gonna let this do its thing. And while it's doing its thing, let me get this stuff out of here. But yeah, what I was saying was, once it does that, I drain it and then I put clean water up in there so that it can rinse out again and spin. So, you know, that gets most of this gooky. Because if it drains like that, there's still some stuff on there. So, I do it that way. I'll put the Downy and stuff in when I do the rinsing with the clean water. So, I'm going to clean, not clean, I'm going to empty this dryer. Sorry guys, I don't know why I'm such winded, but I'm winded for some reason. So this is all clean. Like, not trying to shade my coochie area and stuff, but this ain't even mine, it's my girlfriend's. Everything is clean. I wish you guys could smell it through the freaking camera. I really do. Like, look at how dry that, like, there's like, this is awesome, you guys. Like, fucking awesome. There's nothing. And I showed this because she was on her period, so it had stains on there, and there is nothing. Literally, look how this towel, you know when you wash a towel and try to rinse it out, it is basically fucking awesome. Yeah, like, ooh. Okay, let me stop galloping and shit. I don't know. Definitely not mine. It's my girlfriend's. Well, you know, we're not gonna get on her draw type. I don't really wear draws like that, but she do, and you know, to each his own. If you see me in a pair of drawers, you know the fuck that I'm on my period. That's that. So these are some jeans, and literally they are very, this is amazing, you guys. I wish you guys could literally sit in here and smell my fucking house. It freaking smells amazing. 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 You guys get the concept. So I'm gonna do this wash. I wouldn't even know if she still wants this because it's weird. Oh. Basically, I've emptied it. Okay. And we are doing our thing. I'm gonna just, you guys get the concept, but I think it's freaking amazing. Especially, like I said, single mom, you're at home, even if you're a single family, and you don't want to keep running to the laundromat, spending money, it'll pay for itself. Not only that, if you have bigger kids or kids, this will probably be a good present for them. I like this one. I did research on which one was good. This is a 26 gallon capacity. So there's 18, I think, I want to say 18 gallons here that it can hold. and 8 gallons on this side that it holds. So you're gonna have to split that up. But other than that, I've had no problem with it. As I stated, you have to have enough, a little bit enough weight in there, or it will like shake bad. I'm really happy. I couldn't sleep. I really couldn't, you guys. Lucky you're not on my Facebook, which is LaBarbie'Amore, LABARBIE'AMOR. But anyway, I think this is just awesomely great. I would smoke a blunt on here, but you know, this is like really my first thing. I always wanted to do YouTube, never really known what I want. I'm all over the place, the YouTube community, I see. And I'm always watching everything that's going on in the YouTube community. But this, I think, was worth doing a real life video for. Now, I don't, like I said, thank you for sticking with me. I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to do none of that. But know that it's work. It's authentic, like Arsenal says. This is authentic. It's working. I'm not even used to this shit, YouTubing, so I'm giving you the raw, okay? The real. I don't want to bore you guys for the rest, but look, if you guys like this video, just go ahead and subscribe and, you know, comment, and if you want, I will do a second video with the dryer. I don't really want to hold you up. I want to show you what the sweater looks like, but if you want to see what the clothes, I don't know, I wish I knew how to, like, you guys, I'm tired, honestly. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm hungry. It's that time. I still got more things to wash. And you see my daughter, like, still got things to wash in her room. But we are getting it complete. So I'm gonna rinse, I had it, I'm gonna drain it. All that drain. So while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna take some of this stuff and go ahead and get that. It gets your clothes clean, then I'm happy with it. I am gonna totally be happy with it. And count to 50 and turn this off. Count to 50 and twist this. Never mind. I'll do it. 30 minutes. I'm almost done now. So y'all can see how it comes out. So this is the white stuff. It really, like, I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. It is amazing. It far excelled, what I thought. Sure the heck did. Alright, let's come back. Can you wash this chair off? Because it's like, dust on here. It'll tear off behind the sink. Look here. Wash this bench up and stuff because it's got like dust on it. And I don't want to put the white bits on there with that type of dust on there. And this I didn't even fill up all the way like the last ones, you guys, because I'm only really rinsing it, trying to get the clean water in here. I'm going to put some gallons in here. Okay, almost 30 minutes. At 30 minutes, I don't care what happens. I'm cutting it off like they do my light bills. Shout out to D-Ray for that. That was the funniest shit. But I'm just trying to show you the spin, like how, like, I want you to see the sweater because that lets you know that it's good. It's good. So, I mean, I'm loving it. I really am. Thank you guys for really watching me. If you do watch this, you do. I'm totally hungry, you guys. Totally. It just smells so good. I'm literally smelling fat. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, I'm gonna get it started back again. Give it a rinse, or maybe sometime if something is really dirty or something, you're gonna have to wash it, you know, twice. It smells really good. I know some of that, he has a new shirt in there that's blue, so it's a lot of dye too. I say that the clothes come out smelling so good. Hope I can make it. I'm at 30-minute time. I really don't know how to dance, y'all. Like, I don't. So, like, my girlfriend or them dance for me. I really don't. Have no rhythm, but I could play the video games and do shit like that. Cook. You know, when it came to, like, dancing, I don't know. It's like, I'm good. I'm good. Then it feels weird. Unless I'm drunk. Then I think I'm Beyonce. I'm drunk. I am Beyonce. I'm Beyonce. 5 minutes. Counting down. toning down. But I will get to show you the spin cycle, so count me down. And it rotates, so it like spins one way and then rotates the other way. So I'm going to drain it. Make sure you always turn that off, okay, before you drain. Drain it. Then we're going to use the spinner McCricky and I'm going to let you go. I don't know when I'll be back, but I'll figure something else out. And I'm always trying little knickknacks and things, so maybe I'll just let you guys know what works and don't work. But I love to talk. I'm into everything. Cooking, all that. I'm into it all. Gossip. I love it all. And this lint trap, honestly, it was only $2.48. It does a great job. And you see it actually. Check it out. It's doing a great job. His sweater. Now we see, but it is clean. It smells great. Let's put it in here. This is a little top lid that you will place always. After you put this in. My son is not this big, okay? It's just a straight bird. Like I stated, you only want to put half because it is smaller, so it only holds up to 8 pounds. So much better. Okay. I'm going to spin this on. I almost forgot about you guys. So it is spinning great. Not as loud as you would think. Spins quite fast. Ready to sit down. But I'm so excited. My house smells so good. I smell so good. Clean. No stains. And this shirt had stains on there. And there's no stains. None. So you really don't have to spin it like for the whole 5 minutes. You just want to spin enough where you think it and get out most of the moisture. Okay, I'm going over time. just gonna check out the sweaters. See how they are. And then I'm gonna get the freak off of this motherfucker. Then it made no sense to cuss and then not cuss home. That's how the world freaking works. Let's see how it's looking. Or if I get this. Wait till it completely stops. That's what they said. So I'm just gonna do what they said. I don't know how you guys do this vlogging stuff. It feels like a job. Look, it's strenuous already. It is. It's here. Okay. It is smelling good. The way that they were smell like dog and dirt. They are not. So they are decently dry and not even little time. So. And then you can see, like, I don't know if you can see with the blue, but there's like dry spots and wet spots. Like, see, it's like dry spots and wet spots. And it smells great. Come on, Ryan, come smell this. See what he thinks. Come here, baby. Smell it, boy.
My arm's scratching my leg.
Oh. What'd you think? Did it do the job for you? Think so? It's a go. How you know when you got big kids? That big giant shirt. Oh. And the sweater, as you can see, it's taken out. It got dry spots and wet spots, like so. And the sweater is looking great. I would definitely recommend this. If there's any technical, get the warranty so that you are covered and you can send it back. But I definitely recommend this. I think that you should have this. It's a must, even if you have one. Saving power, say, like, just go ahead, do yourself a favor, get one. Okay? Did I tell you how much they were? I think I should have. If I didn't, look it up. It's in the video when I showed you the box, but I don't know. I will type in the descriptions and everything. Bye, everybody, and thanks for watching me. I don't know how to do none of that signing your ass out, so just get the hell on up out of here, okay?